Hey everybody. Hey, today Lisa is making a really cool blog article on the Laughingbird site about placing images correctly in Facebook and Google Plus and the other social media sites. So I made this video to accompany the article because we think it's important for you to know how to do this. So here, for example, if I take the URL of this article that Lisa is writing and I copy it and I go to Facebook, and let's say I want to paste it. I'm going to hit paste here. You'll notice that I don't have an image, I don't have a description. Facebook will just pick up the generic information with no picture. So how do you fix that? First of all, you need an image. So if you have an image for your blog article, of course use it. Facebook recommends 1200 by 630 pixels to make a nice image. So if you don't happen to have an image and you have the creator handy, let's try making a quick image. I'm going to use the free version of the creator, and you can download it from the link here in the article. And we're going to pick any template that looks good for this particular article. Let's do this one. Good. Okay, and we're going to set this at 1200 by 630. Now this particular template is already set at 1200 by 600, so let's make it 1200 by 630. And let's quickly type in the topic of the blog. So I'm going to go to the edit button here and I'll type in Facebook images. We'll center this. All right, that's looking pretty good. I'm going to come up here and get a Facebook icon. Okay, cool. There we go. I like that. So I'm going to export this up here as a, let's do a PNG. Those are higher quality than a JPEG. Name it whatever you want. Okay, back to our blog. We're going to edit the post and we're going to bring this image into this. Now I use WordPress to make the Laughingbird software web pages, and I happen to use something called Thrive Themes, which allows me to, it has a social media section here that I can put images in. And if you read the article, you'll see that this particular social media graphic needs a certain tag. This function gives me a tag. Not all WordPress sites obviously have this area, so you're going to have to probably find a plugin, and you can see a few links to some handy plugins in the blog article here. But you can also use a plugin called Yoast SEO that also has a place that you can add your Facebook graphics to. But I'm going to use this for now because it's what we use for all of our blog articles. So I click on social media and I'm going to add all the information here. And then I'm going to upload that image. Okay, it's uploaded into the theme. Now you're not going to see it actually posted in the blog article. It's actually behind the scenes in the code. So when I update the page and view it, you won't see the image here, okay? But it has a special tag on it now that Facebook can see. So we're going to use a tool, as Lisa has written in the article, called the Facebook debugger tool. And if you don't know how to get to it, first I'm going to copy this URL again. Copy. And we're going to go to Google and type in Facebook debugger. Okay, first link, easy. And we're going to go to the Facebook debugger tool and we're going to paste our link in here. Okay, and hit debug. And what it's going to do, it's going to read that tag on that image. And if it doesn't show up the first time, it's because we had already viewed the page without the graphics. We have to hit the scrape button here. You might have to do it a couple of times. All right, boom, there it is. And you'll notice that it sized perfectly and it has my description here. Okay, done. We can leave the Facebook debugger, go back to the site. Remember when I pasted it before, it didn't have a graphic. Now, if I refresh the page, I'm going to try that again now and paste that same link into one of our Laughingbird pages. Paste, and now you'll notice, boom. Not only does it paste the image, but when somebody comes to your Facebook page and they click on this image, it'll go to this URL. The Facebook debugger is a valuable tool and it's something that everybody should know how to use. So go finish reading Lisa's article and have fun with it all.